This one-owner 2010 Mazda 3i Sport is a certified pre-owned vessel with a manual transmission, power windows, CD player. Click on the Carfax logo to see the service history, recall history and lots of other useful information. Click the Get More Information buttons to make an appointment for a test drive or to submit a credit application. Thanks for viewing this short video. We hope to see you soon.